Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone's surviving well. So ever since I started this channel here, I've been inundated by product review video requests in my inbox. And to be honest with you, 99% of them I end up passing up on because they're not pertinent to the subject matter of this channel here. I mean, anything from women's undergarments to, I don't know, boat motors, or to even I had a company reach out and ask me if I wanted to review one of their desks. And that one was a hard one to pass up on because it was a nice desk, but again, not relevant to the subject matter of this channel here. Maybe some of you would like to have seen it, but again, it had nothing to do with the EDC. And one of the companies that reached out to me was Gochifix, and I almost passed up on this here. It was, I had a hard time thinking of how it related to EDC, but then I had thought better of it because there have been plenty of times where I wanted to look at the edge of a cheap knife, or when I did my watch build video, I was having a really hard time putting the second hand on the post, and I just couldn't see it, and a microscope would have definitely helped with that. So I agreed to it, and it is finally here. Actually, I've had it for probably about a week and I've played around with it, and it's been fun. So I'm excited to show it off to you. So let's get into it. This actually can record videos of what you're looking at, as well as take pictures, which is pretty darn awesome. It does come with a 32 gigabyte SD card, which that's amazing. And you can download some software for your Windows or Mac computer. It's called the HiView software. I don't think we really need it in this day and age where we have computers that read SD cards and play the videos. I haven't installed that software. I'm not going to. I don't think it's needed. But let's take a look at it. This is not how it comes. This is just how I deconstructed it to put and fit in the box here. So as you see, it does come with a CD here with the software on it. You have the manual here. Tells you how to use it and how to put it together. Several different languages. Pretty cool. So we have our base here. We have our arm, our remote. So I had to go fishing for that. I dropped it, but I forgot what exactly this is, but you remove this part and you put this in here. And it helps you get closer and minimize a lot of light spill over or reflection. So we will look at that momentarily, but let's put this all together. So the arm does screw into the base. Then we take this here and pop that in. This is what it's going to look like, and we just tighten up these screws here. So we're going to install the remote control here. That's right, it goes in there. I'm going to take the SD card, pop it in, 32 gigabytes. And that's going to go right into there. And then we have the wire here to charge it. Now this does have an internal battery, and you can charge it or run it off a power brick. I'm going to run it off of a power bank there. So this is what we're, oh geez, I didn't tighten that part up. So this is what we're looking like. We have a screw back here to move it up and down, so we can get closer and further away. with our lights. At least you can see what I'm doing and putting on here. I gotta bring it down nice and close. Bring it even closer, because I can. Look at that. So I'm going to stop for a second and put that other cap on here. So this has a zoom of anywhere from 10x power to, I think it said 100 or 1200x power. So obviously can't get that close to it. Let's move this up just a little hair. Look at that. Actually, I'm going to record some of this. Okay, so now we're recording. That is pretty freaking cool. It's crazy. So that's the Leatherman Victorinox. So this is what it looks like. Let me look at the very fine edge. Look like what is on it? I have very infrequently used this knife. This is the factory edge. Never put it to a stone. Never put it to a strop. This is what it looks like. That's awesome. My more used knife, my Essie Azula. I feel like the Essie Azula and the Ozark Trail edges look the best. Obviously the so never been used, never been stropped, never been sharpened. Let's get to the edge here. What is all over that edge? That's crazy. So this is the Gochifix DM digital microscope, and you can find it now on Amazon for $85.99. Plus, I think there's a 15% off coupon discount code. It has a 12 megapixel camera, 1080p resolution, 7-inch digital screen, which is a 16:9 aspect ratio. You have continuous 10 power all the way up to 1,200 power magnification. You have 8 LEDs in one in total, plus the 2 side LEDs. You do get software for your Mac or your Windows compatible machines, and included is a 32 gigabyte SD card. Takes pictures and videos, and it's great for people that collect coins, watches, people who work on watches, knives, circuit boards. Pretty awesome. So I want to thank you for stopping in and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will leave a link to this microscope down in the description. I want to thank Gochifix for sending it out for my review and consideration. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you next time.